In the field of biomedical research and cell experiments, dynamic changes of cells and precise molecular level analysis are key to unlocking the mysteries of life and advancing disease research. In cell laboratories, researchers need to closely track cell proliferation, morphological changes, and survival status daily. For example, determining whether cells undergo abnormal apoptosis or adhere well to surfactants. Every step, from observing growth to locating signals, is critical to research success. Recently, a biological institute needed a microscope for cell growth observation and routine bright field experiments. We recommended our inverted biological microscope MI52, equipped with a high-resolution optical system and high flat field achromatic objectives. It clearly displays detailed cell morphology. Additionally, it can be paired with a fluorescence module to upgrade into a fluorescence microscope, unlocking new possibilities for molecular signal localization and helping researchers solve observation problems. Learn more, follow us, and visit our website.